Hey guys, that phone guy here, and it's just later in the day, and now I have a pretty big update on this Galaxy S7, on this Galaxy Note 5, sorry. This will be the last update on it, unless it like breaks again, but that screen, why are you popping out? Stan. Oops. Okay. Basically, long story short, it's kind of weird what happened, but the back, I kind of like put some stuff under it, and the back is glued on. But take my word, battery just unexpanded or whatever. So then I tried putting it back in, and now it holds a charge fine. Hopefully it's not bloating again though. I think it's a little bit bloated. I'm not sure though. But yeah, it's at 69%. It actually holds a charge. So oh crud, I just showed my email. Yay. Oh yeah, I forgot my fingerprint. It's a pretty nice phone actually. Now when I put in the battery, I just charged it for about an hour, and bam, it just came back to life. It had it was encrypted and it had a startup pin, so I had to reset it, but it had this anti recovery mode thingy, so I couldn't put it into recovery mode, which is really annoying. So I just typed in the incorrect pin on the phone at least 30 times, and then it wiped itself like that. Then it was Google locked, and I was looking at all these different bypass videos, and none of them worked, and I just went crazy. But I found out my own bypass. I might make a video on it, maybe not. It's a really, really simple bypass. I don't know how anybody's noticed it, or if anybody has, I don't know. I can go in depth if you guys want me to, but I don't know on how many phones this works on, but what you do is you just get on an Android phone Hush SMS, and then on this phone you need 2 SIM cards for this, so I just borrowed one. And on the other one you send a Hush SMS while the phone's locked, and then you click it to google.com, and then you click it, and then you open with the internet browser. Then you download Then you download the quick Apex launcher, and then you can get into the home screen. And then from there you go to the settings and then just wipe the phone. I can explain how you wipe the phone later. And then that's what I did, and no Google account. Well, I put my own on. Just now actually. But yeah, like I said, it's a pretty nice phone. It's factory unlocked, so it has my SIM card in it, which is nice. And yeah, it fully works. I don't know if I mentioned, but it has a cracked back, really cracked back. And a missing stylus, but I don't really care about that. I can just put a case on it, and I never use a stylus. And let's see. It's on Android 6, but it doesn't want to update. Oh, yeah, it's because I'm not connected to my Wi-Fi. If I update now, yeah, see, it's already updating. I'm going to update it to Android 7. Please don't get mad. Android 7 is just a lot more usable, and I might use this as my Android phone, because I'm kind of sick and tired of iPhones. I'll use this as my second phone, is what I mean. Hopefully the battery though doesn't randomly die on me, because if it does, then that will suck. It's a little bit bright, sorry about that. It's still bright. I don't know, whatever. Okay, I was going to update this, so yeah, that's all for this video. It also has 32 gigs of storage, and it's very fast on Android 6. Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe for more, and bye.